All right, hey, Josh out here, Attica Lumber Company. All right, in this short little video is a 24 by 32 with a 9-foot porch that's gonna run 32 feet. But what I wanna talk to you on this video right here, hey, and by the way, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave it as a comment, and so forth. But the important thing on this, and where I see a lot of DIYers maybe screw up, and there's, I mean, it is what it is, but you have to run this diagonal. So when you're squaring up the building diagonally, this post right here in the corner, the measurement has to be the same. So diagonally, right there, see that diagonally? That has to be squared up. And then if we go over here, if you look at the diagonal as well over here, that's probably the single most important thing as far as squaring up the building. So diagonally, the measurement has to be, just can't be eyeballed, but it has to be true, whatever that is. So you can see on this building right here, we dug down here, actually 54 inches. And we talked about this before, a 411 berm stone, we backfilled it. Now we set this on a 6x12 concrete cookie. All right, a 6x12 concrete cookie. And then what we did is we used uplifts down there in the hole, treated that way, we run it east and west and also north and south, and that keeps the building, or keeps the post from, you know, uplift and so forth. But you can see right here, 6x6 corner post, and then on the interior right there, 4x6. And again, a #1 ground contact treated baseboard. You can see that right there. Again, that's termite, rot resistant, so you definitely want to have a #1 grade. And you definitely want to have a ground contact, meaning that it's used to the elements of the weather. And you can see what the guys are doing there. They're tacking up that header and so forth. But I wanted to talk to you about really getting the building plumb. And the same thing here when we run this. Real important, if you look at this, and again, we're eyeballing this, but obviously we're using a level every time we set the post. We run a string, and we're making sure everything is plumb. And that's so important, because you get a building, like anything in life, you get it off on the wrong foot or not square, it's, well, you're gonna have some problems, and so forth. But that diagonal, that measurement right there, from corner post to corner post, you have to respect the measurements of what you see. But we'll keep you abreast on this. 24 by 32 with a 9-foot porch that's gonna be running 32. So as we go, we'll keep you up to date. AtticaLumber.com.